I'm still working on the apartment and getting things organized, and today I'm going to be tackling the linen closet because when I moved in I just kind of threw things in and it's not really very organized, and I've gotten some bins and things that I think I can use to keep it much better organized, which will hopefully optimize space as well, giving me more room for things. So it just helps things stay organized overall. So I am going to do this more vlog voiceover style. I did want to make sure I show you the before. Of course, Duncan's jumped on in there because he's curious. But yeah, there's not really a whole lot of rhyme or reason to it right now, and I'm hoping that when it's done it will look a lot better and be much more efficient. Now, I've watched all of the home edit, and that and Pinterest are where I've gotten a lot of my inspiration. So I know the first thing I need to do is take everything out to start with a clean, bare slate. So these are the bins that I got, but they don't hold as much as I thought they would. It was hard to tell online. They could probably be a bit bigger, and I may not have enough of them, so I may have to rethink how I'm going to do things. I also found these write-on chalkboard labels on Amazon, so that's how I'm going to label everything. So I'll try to link everything below if I can find it, but yeah, these looked or seemed a lot bigger online. It's deceiving, but like I said, I'll just have to rework my plan. Something they don't teach you in school, that they should, is how to fold a fitted sheet. I just watched about 6 different YouTube videos with different methods, and none of them worked for me, and I became very frustrated. And this seems like something that I should already know, but I've always just been not wanting to put in the effort to learn, so I would just roll them up in a ball. But now that I'm needing to optimize space, I was trying to get them to do that to look neat and nicer and everything, but it's just not going to happen today, so it's just something that I will have to continue to practice. But if you have a super easy method, please share it with me. Thanks! I originally had planned to put the sheets and towels in another bin, but seeing as I couldn't fold them correctly, that probably wouldn't have worked anyways. And I could have tried to stack them all up on the top, which I thought about doing, but then I was afraid if I did that, they would all just fall down. So I've got them on 2 different shelves for right now. And yeah, so we're getting there. Here is the final finished product. It is not perfect, and it is not quite looking like they do on Pinterest. It is certainly much more organized than it was before, and I think it will be easier to locate and find things, and I can always change it around over time if need be, but I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, considering I'm not a professional organizer or even close to one. So it took quite a while, which you won't be able to tell in this video because this video probably won't be very long, but it took a good part of the afternoon to do this. But now it's done, and that's one more big thing in the apartment organized. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing me organize my linen closet. Leave your feedback in the comments down below, and let me know if you'd like to see more apartment and organization related videos, or just what your video requests are that you'd like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon.